We are the front runner in the oil and gas sector, a specialist in downhole completion and production tools. A company established and managed by highly experienced oil field engineers. This is Wellcare Oil Tools Private Limited, a privately held company with a proven track record spanning over a decade. Powered by a vision to be a best-in-class global manufacturer of oil field drilling equipment and downhole completion equipment. Wellcare designs and manufactures a comprehensive range of downhole drilling and production tools that are at par with the most stringent global standards of quality, safety and reliability. Today, the seed has grown into a massive tree as the Wellcare continues to grow. Over the decade, Wellcare strive for continuous improvement in the field of downhole equipment and have expanded its infrastructure and facilities for the ever-changing customer requirements. The company's state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are located in the Khuskhera and Karoli, District Alwar in the state of Rajasthan, India. With these highly specialized facilities, Wellcare is capable to manufacture a wide range of downhole completion equipment and testing their performance. This is where cutting-edge design concepts are transformed into products that are manufactured with pride, passion and perfection. The machinery and equipment here are the most advanced that one can find for oil and gas operations across the entire Pan-Asian region. The top-of-the-line manufacturing infrastructure includes a CNC shop, tool room and press shop. The facility is equipped with trademark machinery for rapid, high-quality tooling and production in the domain of drilling and downhole completion. The Wellcare manufacturing facilities are geared to produce a wide range of specialized products that includes hydraulic, mechanical set rotating and non-rotating liner hangers and accessories, permanent and retrievable seal bore ERD packers and accessories, state cementing collars, Wireline mechanical set retrievable bridge plugs, drillable cement retainers, bridge plugs, flow control equipment, sliding sleeves and landing nipples along with accessories, milling and retrieving tools, cementing heads, floating equipment, cement float shoe and float collar, cementing top and bottom plug, centralizers and stop collars. The common thread that runs through every manufacturing operation and every product at Wellcare is quality. For the well-trained, highly experienced team of oil field engineering professionals who run the enterprise, quality is a way of life. Wellcare adheres stringently to an API Q1 ISO quality management system that encompasses design, planning, manufacturing, monitoring and traceability. Our quality policy is founded upon ongoing R&D initiatives, adoption of global best practices in manufacturing, integrated risk management and contingency management, training and empowerment initiatives, and ensuring the safety of both people and products. The manufacturing facilities are backed by a high-end in-house testing setup geared to handle all types of mechanical testing. These facilities enable Wellcare to ensure quality control across the entire materials receipt to product delivery cycle. The facilities are also geared to carry out surface testing of all our products and subsurface testing, which uses a compact test well system to ensure compliance with API standards or customer specifications. The R&D Center focuses on incorporating breakthrough functional and design features with new industrial materials, thereby enhancing versatility, reliability, durability and sustainability across its entire range of products. The design department is a CAD-enabled environment managed by highly qualified engineers with an in-depth understanding of both market needs as well as customer needs. Here, the development of new products is guided by global industry trends, changing customer requirements, and a dynamically evolving oil and gas sector. This formidable combination of manufacturing capabilities, R&D competence, global quality standards and design strengths has enabled Wellcare to reach out to major oil and gas companies all over the world. As a customer-centric organization, we understand the needs and expectations of our customers, and we leverage our domain expertise to meet and exceed these expectations. For enhancing intellectual skills, the company facilitates yoga and ensure that people at Wellcare are healthy and stress-free. An ambitious vision to excel, an overwhelming passion for precision, an unwavering commitment to quality, an unshakable dedication to customer centricity. We are Wellcare Oil Tools, a trusted name in the oil and gas industry all over the world.